Hello. It's the annual Pride of Longbridge Rally. Not going to be able to stop long. Not going to be able to stop at all, really. Just going to be able to do a walk through. Got the dogs on the lead. I came here last year and did a little bit of video. You might want to go back and see if you can find that. I'll put a link. But that was my friend John's minivan there, the blue and white one. Unfortunately, he's passed away now. He was a very nice chap, very interesting chap. So there's all different areas with different sorts of cars. Obviously the minis are over here. Various Rovers. The Pride of Longbridge is it's like a celebration of the products of Longbridge and other British Leyland, branches, Triumph, things like that. Rover. Those wheels are bright, aren't they? Even like the Japanese ones over there, the Triumph Claims, they were built here, but from Japanese parts. MGBs. Maestro van, very, very rare these days. A police Maestro van.
Somebody else who's desperate.
A couple of Metros. Metro with an engine in the back. Some older ones up there, might walk up there. That was a nice old truck here, look. I'm going to go up there, see where the old ones are. Look at this here. Supercar. That's cool, isn't it? Supercar. Yeah. Still lots of people. Oops. Still lots of people rolling in, look. Some old Austins here. MG Midget up there, look. Nice old Rover. Oh, hello, dog. There's a good lad. So, mate. Somerset. A40 Sports. Austin Service pickup. The Joy 40 in the back. That's cool, isn't it? I've seen that before, but it's such a nice thing. Another Austin Sports, that's nice, isn't it? Marina Estate. Good car they are, aren't they? Got plenty of room in them. Bits and pieces.
Yeah, so saying exactly. Anyhow, I sent the last one to him, and I said, are you going to the motor show in Reading?
Ambassador, pretty rare now.
Come on.
Come on, Rube. Here we go, 18 grand. Yeah, okay. Vanden Plas Allegro. MGB with louvered bonnet, that might suggest it might be a V8, I don't know. Sherpa camper van. A couple of Morris Minors. Treadle fret saws. Ooh, okay. Ambassador. A30 or A35, never sure. Vanden Plas limousine. Nice minor van. Nice mini estate. Mini clubman estate. Actually, they're all really nice. A couple of places to get something to eat. A Range Rover. Loads of other Rovers over the back there. The Longbridge plant, which is just the other side of those trees over there, closed in 2005, I believe, because it's 20 years ago. A chopped Farina there. I've got an idea that might be my neighbour's car. That might be Roger's car there, Sue. The MGB. The green one. No, the green one. I saw one pulling in, but he has got one of them and he did say he was coming here. That's what put it in my mind. I just saw something over there that was interesting. Where is it? Oh, I need to go back over there. This sort of torpedo, whatever they call it, torpedo-tailed speedster here, and a very old Austin chassis by the look of it. I'm saying Austin, I don't know. Could be anything. Magneto, gas. Yeah. Chitty bang bang, yeah. Old gearbox, look. Wow, quite a machine, isn't it? Yeah, it's got an Austin grille, so yeah, I imagine it's an Austin. Looks like they flat-toed it here, look. It's got a beam cutter there, look, so it must be used in hill climbs and things. Blockley tyres. Wow, that's nice, I like that. Here's the Wolsley 2200, or Wolsley 6. Got the 6-cylinder version of the E-series engine, twin carbs. Yeah, nice mini estate there, look, nice wheels on it. Lots of nice cars. Ex-apprentices, as am I. Oh, nice MGA there, look. Yeah, Austin 6. Mini Moke. It's nice, isn't it? So I can only tell you by looking at the badges. Morris 8. Nice. Nicely proportioned. Yeah, yeah. There's another Austin there. Some SD1s right up on the top of the hill there, look. You probably can't see them. That's it, that Mini there. Look, it's like a beach car, look. Yeah, but look, it's done like, you know, for Saint-Tropez and places like that, see? They used to do Fiats as well in the same style. Sorry. all the modern things here. They've got the fancy paint. Look, I don't know what it's called, where it fades from one colour to another. At least there's a thriving enthusiasm for the cars, isn't there? Yeah.
From the late 60s.
The Morris Travellers. Nice Rover P6 here, look. Yeah, Land Rovers. Oh. Can you see what he's done there, look, Sue? Because they're aluminium bodied, he's just took all the paint off and left the aluminium exposed, look. Forward control Land Rovers. They're becoming more and more valuable, really. They're a good one to keep, you know. Morris Travellers. Got a picnic set. Good idea. It's nice, isn't it? So it's good condition. Unusual colour there, that yellow, I think. Rover SD ones. Fruity sounding Allegro. Nice Rover P5, P5B probably. Not sure. Nice that, isn't it? A coupe. Yeah, it's a coupe. Yeah, really nice. The Wolsley, like the 100E. Well, it's similar era.
Same shape. The same people that make it.
No, mine's a Ford, isn't it? Wolsley. Ah, I can see a theme here. They've lined all the Wolsleys up, look. Trying for climb. Oh, nice MGA there, red one. Very nice. Accelerate. Like a number plate, look. Accelerate. That's a brilliant number plate. Big Bertha. Big Bertha. Alright, Rube, there's Ruby here, look. Mini. Oh yeah, the minivan, police car, yeah. Oh, what's it called? Vermilion. Tell you what, they're immaculate, aren't they? Might see the old Mini, Sue. That's nice, isn't it? The grey.
These are nice. I mean, these are
One of the Longbridge and Jaguar Land Rover guys. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah, that's nice, isn't it? Like a greeny grey, isn't it?
Always messing about with tinkering.
Yeah. Nice mini, I'm going to say Cooper, could be a Cooper S. Austin S, look, Cooper S. Worth a fortune. Hang on a minute, I'm just going to check something. Oh yeah. Yeah, nice. The ever popular Mini in many different levels of modification, from stone stock to heavily modified. And there's the rolling hills. We had a big walk around there before we walked around the cars. Lovely part this is. Okay, I'll catch a bit more up the other end, but that's it for this end. Back in a bit. Okay, we're just heading away now. Just a few little cars on this little enclave, and then that'll be it for us for today. Yeah, it's a great turnout. Lots of enthusiasm. It's good to see. Nice day as well. Just a handful of cars up here. Okay. Thanks very much for joining us today at Cofton Park for the Pride of Longbridge. I consider myself the Pride of Longbridge because I was apprentice here from 74 to 79. So, oops, there you go. Okay, thanks a lot then. Cheers then. Bye.